You are not my boo-boo.
You are not.
Sociopath.
Hey, what's up guys, after a long time, and today I'm gonna show you how to make Twixtor using Alight motion and node video. So without further wasting any more of your time, let's jump into the video. Now open your Alight motion. Now go to the settings and turn on low quality preview. This will make your Alight motion lag a little less, but the export will be in high quality. Okay, then make a project according to your need. Now add your scenes clip here. And keep one thing in mind, keep the total duration of your clips at least 15 seconds, and each clip should be at least 1.5 seconds long. I don't want to make the video too complex, so I will export all the clips at once. This is a small mistake that everyone makes, exporting the video in 60 FPS. Please avoid this. First check the FPS of the video. Now select the 24 FPS in the settings. Now go and export it in high quality. But if your Alight motion is lagging too much, then you can just export 1.1. Like this, find your clip and check FPS and export it. Now open Node Video and follow my steps as I do. Copy my export settings. Now export the video. After making the Twixtor, now open your Alight motion project and add your Twixtor. Now follow my steps as I do. Now your Twixtor is ready. Now most of you guys thinking why he didn't convert 24 to 60 FPS. It would be more smoother, right? Okay, now I'm back on my Alight motion. Now export your video with 24 FPS. And one thing, if your device ruined your quality, then please export in 1080, not 4K just like me. But you have iOS device, then go to 4K. Now import your clip in Time Cut. Now export it. Now same step as we did in previous. Now this is comparison.
Sociopath!
Honestly, 60 FPS clip is too smooth, but the quality has dropped a bit, but 24 FPS clip, this one good in quality but not in smoothness. Here the comparison of edits. Now this is your choice. So today you've learned how to make Twixtor like me, but if you want to make my shake, check out the video on the left side where I show you how to make shake like me on after motion, and in the video on the right side I explained how to make football dark CC on after motion. That's it for today's video. So this was Zenox signing off. See you guys in the next one. Till end. Peace.